be a Sachin fan. Like, if I was a Gavaskar fan, I'm still a Gavaskar fan. So
you watch the game. You still watch the game.
Yes, you still watch the game.
Yeah.
But the bigger question here now is, did we miss him when he took a call on his ODI retirement? First of all, जब उन्होंने इस बात का फैसला किया कि वो ODI से रिटायरमेंट लेंगे, क्या हमने सचिन तेंदुलकर टीम इंडिया में मिस किया?
देखिए, उन्होंने उनके बाद भी सारे काफी मैचेस जीते हैं। हाँ। सचिन के बाद में भी। पर ये जो रिटायरमेंट की कॉल है ODI की, मैं हमेशा कहता आया हूँ, मैं पहले भी कह रहा हूँ कि ये एक पर्सनल कॉल होती है। मैं किसी को जाके नहीं कह सकता कि आप रिटायर हो जाइए, ये गलत बात है। और उसको सोचना है कि मैं क्या इस फॉर्मेट के लिए मैं रेडी हूं या नहीं हूं। तो ये उसने डिसाइड किया कि मैं अब वनडे क्रिकेट खेलना
क्या, लेकिन उनकी कमी
बड़े देर तक उसका हमें अफसोस होता रहता है और उसके बारे में हम सोचते रहते हैं और उसके बारे में हम बातें करते हैं।
When we get used to the idea of doing without that person, did we miss him? Did the team miss him?
I think when you are winning, you never complain that you missed him. Honestly, I mean, like sometimes when you want to do that thing that what everyone is saying, comparison. When somebody batting at that number and not getting that much of a performance, what you have automatically believed that Sachin will come and give it to you, you definitely wanted to do that comparison. But let's not forget about that he played for such a long time. I mean, like he played the maximum number of one day. So every time he walked onto the park, there was a new
a record to fall into the maximum time for the nervous 90s. I mean, at least he managed that as well.
I mean, there are two thought of schools in that.
Yes.
You can always say he got into the 90s.
That was it. That, of course, was on a lighter note. That was on a lighter note. But Sachin Tendulkar, not in Team India. Sachin Tendulkar not in playing 11. In terms of competitive cricket, in terms of the way the top international teams will now look at India. Team India sans Sachin Tendulkar. British media has praised him, Pakistani media, in fact international press has said that it's going to be a big loss of cricket as far as Team India is concerned. But what are your views on it?
I think definitely, he was very popular in
competitive spirit mein, sir. Competitive spirit pe agar dekha jaye.
Yeah, definitely, we're going to miss him. Or, British media, Australian media, Pakistan media, because he has played cricket in all these countries and has done well. Very, very well. So definitely they're going to praise him. The competition, the competitive cricket you were talking about, it's always going to be there. Definitely, couple of months, couple of years after that, the game will go on. The people will start talking about the next generation. The media will start talking about the next generation. And Australians, he was a legend by himself.
The name synonymous with.
But Sakal, there's one more thing. Big players, I mean, like, you can call them artists, and artists don't belong to any religion or any country. People appreciate what they present, and I think anyone who followed cricket, we're taking a couple of countries here because it's being played by, let's say, top 10 countries. Right. But people in other countries who follow this game just adore him. I mean, like, if he was traveling in Germany or he was in US, there were people there.
All adore him.
So he was somebody that, people
and comparisons with the tallest figures in the
people starting cricket. Watching this game because of him.
That Sachin will be remembered for a long time, but its impact is not that.
Okay, fine, fair enough. Yes,
ma'am, his decision of taking retirement has given end to all these speculations, and which is indeed a relief for all of us. Right? And I'm going to ask sir, उन्होंने रिटायरमेंट ली, आपको नहीं लगता कि BCCI अब न्यू कमर्स के साथ और एक्सपेरिमेंट